Hello guys สวัสดีค่ะ I'm Oth Thai in the United States. I would like to share my experience just only very short with SudShare. I signed up on Friday to be a Sudster. I would like to say Sudster because as the alphabet spelling in Thai it's gonna be Ud Sud. Okay, Sudster, SudShare.Then I registered on Friday night. Nothing show up yet. And then on Saturday, I got up at noon. Notification for the order show up too. One close to where I work for Airbnb, and the other one in the Pennsylvania, 29 minutes from the first.I live in Delaware, Newark. I decided to try the one closer. And then I text to the customer. I gonna be there at 1:30. And she told me where to meet her because she didn't leave the laundry out yet. Then I got there and picked up.And I didn't know that I need to take a photo to submit until I come back home and I try to submit the picture. But the app didn't allow me until I already watched. And then I try to find how to solve that problem because if I didn't submit, I can't go to another step.And then I found I can email, then I email and then I send the picture. Later on, I got notification that I was late to pick up. Then I email again that I pick up on time with the photo. At first, the customer put the dirty laundry in trash bags. I got 3 bags at the first trip.And then I change to the clear bags and take photo. And then for the process, I did everything finish until the next day. I did on Saturday night and then Sunday I text the customer that I gonna deliver it at 11:30. Everything went well. Customer was very nice.I need to prepare everything by myself first. We need to have not laundry, we have to have washer and dryer. We need to prepare detergent as what SudShare requirements. We need to prepare the clear bag for contain clean laundry and delivery bag to the customer. And we need to prepare ribbon or string. I use the string that I keep from the pen. I have many of string pen. We don't do softener unless the customer asking for it. And we don't do bleach because I didn't see the direction about bleach. And also wash with cold only and no iron. Unless the customer asks for it and my customer asks for warm washing.So the time period for me for the first, I came back home about 2 or 2:30 and then I washed right away. I washed 3 loads, 3 dryers, and then I finished everything, folding, put in a bag, label, weigh everything that I need to be done at 9. I think it was for me.And the estimate cost at the order before I accept was $47, but the real income I earned was here. Okay, it was fun to do, and it's gonna be better if I have more customer in my area.The customer pop up again, but they are far away and I think if I pick up 1 hour drive one trip, I need to delivery another hour for one trip, and I earn $20. That's not worth for my time. I think it is good income earning if you live in the area. There are many people would like to get laundry done and nobody that I read, I search for information, and also I join SudShare Facebook group. Nobody talk about the expenses, like after income, how much they cut off the expenses for water, for power, or even the detergent, the plastic bag, and other stuff. On SudShare website also provided the sticker. I didn't purchase sticker from them yet because I'm not sure if I will like this job. It is fun to do, and I think about if there are customer not far from my home pop up on Saturday, I will do that, and I will delivery on Sunday. That's what I think about doing SudShare, but not for weekday and not for full time. Okay, that is all my experience for the first SudShare, and then the first customer. The customer is very nice. I get. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye.